Have you ever wondered how to gain muscle volume naturally? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of muscle growth. Muscle volume isn't just about looking stronger, it's about truly being stronger. It's a vital part of your overall health and fitness. In this video, we're going to unravel the secrets of natural muscle volume gain, giving you a step-by-step guide to follow. So, if you're ready to flex those muscles a bit more, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn the steps to gain muscle volume naturally. The first step towards gaining muscle volume naturally is focusing on your diet. Now let's dive into why diet is so important. You see, your body is like a finely tuned machine, and the fuel you put into it can greatly impact its performance. For muscle growth, that fuel is a balanced and protein-rich diet. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles. They repair and rebuild muscle tissues that are broken down during workouts, leading to muscle growth. But don't forget about carbohydrates and healthy fats. They provide the energy needed to power through those intense workouts. When we talk about a protein-rich diet, we're talking about foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy. Carbohydrates come from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. As for healthy fats, think avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, your diet is the foundation for your muscle-building journey. This isn't just about eating more, but eating smarter. Your body deserves the best fuel, so choose wisely. Once your diet is in check, the next step is to focus on strength training. You see, strength training is not just about lifting weights. It's about challenging your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. This process is what leads to an increase in muscle volume. There are various types of strength training exercises that you can incorporate into your routine. For instance, compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench press work multiple muscle groups at once, leading to greater muscle growth. On the other hand, isolation exercises target a single muscle group, allowing for more focused development. Then there's progressive overload, where you gradually increase the weight or the number of repetitions in your workouts. This continual challenge encourages your muscles to grow in size and strength. Remember, the magic happens when you step out of your comfort zone. That's when your muscles are forced to adapt, leading to muscle growth. Strength training is the key to unlocking your muscle growth potential. The third step in gaining muscle volume naturally is ensuring you get enough rest. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't start constructing the second floor before the concrete foundation of the first floor has had time to dry, would you? Similarly, rest is essential in the process of muscle building. It's during this downtime that your body repairs the muscle fibers that were broken down during strength training. This regeneration process is what eventually leads to muscle growth. Now let's talk about sleep. It's not just about clocking in those 8 hours. Quality sleep is a non-negotiable part of the equation. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones that aid in muscle recovery and growth. It's like your body has its own construction crew working the night shift, rebuilding your muscles while you dream away. So don't skimp on your rest days or sacrifice your sleep. Remember, it's not just about working hard, but also working smart. Rest well and let your body do its magic. The final step in gaining muscle volume naturally is being consistent. It's not just about what you eat, how you train, or how much you rest. It's about doing all of these consistently. Picture it like a three-legged stool. If one leg is shorter than the others, the stool is unstable. Similarly, if your diet, exercise, or rest is lacking, your progress will wobble. Consistency is the thread that ties everything together. You can't expect to see change if you're not consistent in your efforts. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a leaky tap. You might see some progress, but it'll be slow and unsteady. And let's not forget patience. Building muscle volume naturally isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Your body is a masterpiece in progress, and masterpieces take time. Stay consistent, be patient, and watch your muscle volume grow. Let's quickly recap the steps to gaining muscle volume naturally. We started with the importance of diet, emphasizing nutrient-dense foods to fuel your muscles. We then focused on strength training, the foundation for building muscle. Next, we underlined the significance of rest, allowing your body to recover and grow. Lastly, we stressed consistency, the true key to attaining and maintaining muscle volume. With these steps, you are now equipped to gain muscle volume naturally. Remember, your journey is unique to you, so embrace it and enjoy the process.